Okay, hello, good morning. How are you today? Today we're going to start Unit 2. The topic of Unit 2 is life stories. You can open your books on pages 14 and 15. Okay, remember that in these recorded classes we deal with grammar. So today we are going to work with page 15 and 17, and we're going to work with past simple and past continuous and the differences between them. Okay, if you have a look at the board, we have some refreshments about how to make the past simple. So we form the past simple in positive sentences, changing the verb. If it is regular, you add d or ed. If it is regular, you change. If the sentence is negative, we use didn't and the verb doesn't change. And if it is a question, we use did and the verb doesn't change. Okay, we use past simple to talk about finished or completed actions in the past, right? And there is no connection to the present. The action finished or was completed in the past and nothing remains. Okay, we are going to see the uses of two expressions with the past simple. You know that we can use the past simple with last, yesterday, ago, in 2010, for example, or when I was young. But here we have two other expressions, for and during. In this case, we are going to use for to answer the question how long, por cuánto tiempo, and we are going to use during to answer the question when, cuándo. Have a look at the example. My friend came to stay for 2 days, how long? During the summer holidays. When? When? In the summer holidays, right? So two new expressions that can be used in the past simple apart from the ones that you already know and that answer these questions how long and when, right? Okay, here we've got some notes about the past continuous. The past continuous is used for actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past, actions that were not finished. At that specific moment, the action was not finished. For example, yesterday at 5 p.m., I was correcting homework. I started before past 5 p.m. and I finished after 5 p.m. But at 5 p.m. I was doing that activity. The activity was in progress and was not finished. Okay, we form the past continuous with the verb to be in the past, was were in positive sentences, and wasn't weren't in negative sentences, and always the verb takes ing, right? If it is a question, we use was aware at the beginning, the subject, and the verb with ing, right? You can copy the example I said. Yesterday at 5 p.m., I was correcting homework. Or you can make your own example, right, to copy. Okay, what is the difference between the past simple and past continuous? As I said before, past simple is used for finished or completed actions in the past, and past continuous is used to talk about actions that were in progress at a specific point in the past. When we combine past simple and past continuous, sometimes we have an action that was in progress, past continuous, and that was interrupted by another action in the past, in this case past simple. For example, I was correcting homework when my phone rang. I was correcting is an action in progress. My phone rang is an action that interrupts the other action that was in progress. Yes? My phone rang and interrupted the action I was doing. Okay. We can use past simple or past continuous mixed or together with these expressions while or as they are synonyms, mientras, and when, right? So, in one sentence you can find one of these expressions, but two of the tenses. For example, while I was correcting homework, my phone rang. So in the two sentences, in the two parts of the sentences, you will have one past continuous and one past simple. If we have the expression when, we use past simple immediately after. When my phone rang, I was correcting homework. You can pause the video and copy the examples, right? While, as, and when can be at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle. For example, my phone rang as I was correcting homework. Or, as I was correcting homework, my phone rang. The same with when. When I opened the door, the cat was sleeping. Or the cat was sleeping when I opened the door. Okay, copy the examples, please. Now, we can also use when with a sequence of actions, and in this case, a sequence of completed actions in the past. For example, when I got up, I had breakfast and I did my homework. All finished actions in the past making a sequence. Okay, now it's time to practice. What you can do is from page 15, you're going to do exercise 3, complete the article, choose during or for, and write the past simple, only past simple. And then on page 97, you have some more exercises to practice. Let's have a look. 97, lesson 2A here. Complete the sentences with the past tense of the verbs in brackets. Put during or for in the gaps. Cuando no hay un verbo entre paréntesis es porque tengo que poner during or for. And as for past continuous, you're going to work on page 17. Here you can choose the correct option. Exercise number 5, complete the sentences with the past simple or past continuous form of the verb in brackets. Exercise 6, complete the questions with the past simple or past continuous form of the verbs. You have an example. You have to make the question, answer, make the question, answer. And on page 97, you have more practice again. Let's find the page. Lesson 2B. Exercise 1, match the beginnings 1 to 7 to their endings, comienzos y finales. This exercise number 2, the 2 exercises number 2, you are not going to do right now. Okay. Before we finish, I would like you to have a look again at page 15 and have a look at this section that is use your English. In this case, we have some expressions to show concern and reassure. This means when a person has a problem, you show concern, muestro interés, yes, y lo animo. Animo a esa persona que está pasando por un mal momento. So, to show concern, para demostrar interés en lo que le está pasando, you can use these different phrases. Are you okay? Are you alright? Are you sure? Did you hurt yourself? Can I do anything? Can I give you a hand? Don't worry, I'm fine. Really, I'm okay. No problem. Imagine I tell you, are you okay? Don't worry, I'm fine. And I ask what happened because I see you falling on the floor, for example, lying on the floor. What happened or what on earth happened? I lost my balance. Imagine you are riding a bike, you fell down, and I found you lying on the floor. Okay, what happened? I lost my balance. Perdí el equilibrio y me caí. Okay, in this case, you can show concern, ask about what happened to the other person, and help or offer help to him or her. This vocabulary appears in the dialogue we are going to work with in the Zoom class, but you can do from page 97. That is exercise lesson 2A, exercise 2. Rearrange the words to make a dialogue. It's a dialogue to make and show concern and reassure. Okay, this is all for now. I will tell you what is the homework in our classroom section. Okay, goodbye, see you.